Hello everyone, welcome to another one of my tutorials. We're here to discuss the magnetic sanding system working with tin plates on aluminum panels. Okay, here we have an aluminum panel, aluminum door. As I will demonstrate to you, this is an aluminum door. It does not have any magnetic stability whatsoever. Magnets does not stick to it. What we've done is we've played tin plates on the back side of it so that once we can have a particular damage or repair that needs to be handled, the ForcedG.R.I.T magnetic sanding system will have a stabilizing process to where it can attach itself to the product, to the panel, and that way we can begin and proceed with the repairs. Okay. Right now I have it set on its strongest setting. Strongest setting is number 1. We are using a 800 grit sandpaper, okay? And by here we'll be able to use it more aggressively, as we explained earlier in one of our other videos, that the number 3 setting is the setting for whatever sandpaper you use. Once you set it on 3, your sandpaper, whatever it indicates, is the true setting of that sanding grit. Now we're going to turn it counterclockwise to increase the grip performance. As we increase the grip performance, it's not acting like an 800, but more like a 700, 650, 700. We're going to decrease the grip performance. Now it's going to respond more like an 800. Now we're going to increase it. Now it's going to perform more like a 900 to 1000 grit. And there you have it. This is a brief tutorial on how to use the magnetic sanding system on aluminum panels. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.